Hello everyone, this is Lipsita and today we are here again to cover the third day of 66th All Odisha Junior and Sub-Junior State Level Swimming Championship. We were here at the first day where we saw various participants doing their best. Here we had 447 participants participating from different districts from all over Odisha. They were present here from Baleshwar, Dhenkanal, Sundargarh, even many other districts where we saw some students from KIT as well representing their institutions. They were participating here. That was the inaugural ceremony where we saw the secretary inaugurating the championships. It is the last day of this championships. Today we are here and we'll cover the entire competition where we will see the juniors and the sub-juniors competing against each other. So let's see what happens. We hope they will be doing their best and we hope this makes their way towards other great success. So watch this video till the end.
I joined here last year. Since then, I have seen lots of improvement in Odisha swimming, and all because of government, association, and JSW support. The swimmers did very well this time, and they are improving. We have more than 15 swimmers who gave the qualification timing, and we are hoping this year for more and more medals. And one message I want to give for all the swimmers that you are really doing well, and keep doing well. All the best for the sub junior and junior national aquatic championship. First of all, when they come to this kind of facility, which is like one of the best facility in India, if we have everything here. They get very motivated, and when they try get a chance to race with a national medalist swimmer, they feel motivated, and this kind of competition and environment definitely going to help them to keep up with their sport and to do better in the future.
मेरा नाम श्रेयसी दास है और मैं ये ओडिशा स्टेट मीट में पार्टिसिपेट की हूँ और मेरे इवेंट्स थे 200, 150 बैक स्ट्रोक और 150 फ्लाई और 2 रिले और मेरे सारे इवेंट्स बड़े अच्छे गए हैं और ये स्टेट मीट के बाद से मुझको पता है मुझे और किस में काम करना है और किस में मैं बेहतर कर सकती हूँ और सबसे बड़ा शुक्रिया मैं मेरे कोच को करना चाहूंगी क्योंकि उनके सपोर्ट विदाउट हिज सपोर्ट अभी तक यहाँ पे मैं नहीं होती। अभी तो मेरा एम्स नेशनल्स है, नेशनल में मेडल मारना है और उससे भी आगे लाइक क्वालिफिकेशन चाहिए, एशियन एज ग्रुप, कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स, उन सब का क्वालिफिकेशन चाहिए और उसके लिए बहुत मेहनत भी करनी पड़ेगी।
I'm feeling very great and my name is Stuti Subudhi. I'm from Ganjam, Barampur. So I've came here to participate in the swimming competition and I've secured a gold medal in 200-meter butterfly, which has been a very great moment. I've got a medal in my life. My aims for the future that I will work hard and I'll just succeed in my life. I want to get in the I've got medal in the state level, but I want to get more medals in the national level too, and many more.
मते बहुत भल लागुचे, खुशी लागुचे। मते स्टेट रे खेलिबा मौका मिली छे। मोर 5टी इवेंट थिला, सेथिरो मो 4टी गोल कंफर्म हे जाय छे। मते एठारे सब फैसिलिटी भल, बलांगीर रे जेते फैसिलिटी मिलला एठे तार बहुत फैसिलिटी मिली छे। आ एते फैसिलिटी मिलिले ए फैसिलिटी रे मु नेशनल मेडल आनी पारिबे। मोर नेक्स्ट एम होचे एशियन मेडल, एशियन पर ओलंपिक्स।
मेरा नाम आंचल बाग है और मेरे 4 गोल्ड मेडल हैं और 1 सिल्वर मेडल है। मुझे बहुत प्राउड फील होता है जब भी मैं अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट का जर्सी पहनती हूँ और मुझे बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है। फ्यूचर है कि मैं अपना जैसे मैं अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ वैसे मैं अपने स्टेट और नेशनल को नेशन को भी रिप्रेजेंट करूँ और अपने आगे और अचीव करूँ। अभी फिलहाल के लिए तो मुझे नेशनल गेम्स में पार्टिसिपेट करना है।
It was a fun game. I had a huge experience about that with racing with another nation's players, and I won a bronze in the 100-meter fly. It was good. My time was improved a bit. It was very fun. My areas are quite simple. My power and fast 50 is a bit slow, and I need to improve on that. And my underwaters are weak. I think if I improve that, I would be much better. My aiming plan is here in Bhubaneswar Kalinga Stadium. A month after, next month, they're gonna be the national champion. So national championship. So I am training in IIS here for that. So it will be our next target. In the recent times, I am trying for the junior nationals here and some events if I'm capable of.
So this is how we covered the last day of the state championships. You can see behind me how the participants are competing for their place, that is first, second or third. We also interacted with many participants here, all junior and sub-junior children who aspire to represent their country in Asian Games. Even they are saying that they want to become 3 times Olympians and they have big dreams. And I think these types of state championships and ground level investment help our children, our country's children motivate more and make them more strong, increase their timings, better timings by which they can represent our country at international stages. This is how we ended this championships by covering the 3 days, and it was a very great experience where we saw the children investing them into swimming this much and watching big dreams for our country. So with this, I would like to say that stay tuned to Odisha Post Live for more such updated and amazing videos along with ground report.